Hello guys, this is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to find a tube hole diameters in baffles and support plates of heat exchanger. Also in this session we will learn how to find those tube hole diameters by using function combine if and or in Excel. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you, but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. So guys, to find out the solution, first of all, what you should know is, you should know the TEMA 10th edition. TEMA is the Tubular Exchanger Manufacturer Association. It is a standard used to design a heat exchanger. In that section, just go to the section 5. In section 5, find out the clause RCB 4.2. So guys, if you have already learned a tema and that clause RCB 4.2, so you might know that how difficult it is to understand. I personally feel the same thing. That's why I decided to make a video out of it, so to make your work easier. So guys, before moving forward, for those who don't know about heat exchanger, tube holes, baffles and support plates, just look at the image. This is the image for tube bundle, and here is one sketch showing how baffles are. These are some baffles. This is baffle arrangement. These are some holes provided on baffles to accommodate the tubes. One more important thing you should know that is maximum unsupported tube length. So this is the maximum unsupported tube length between the two supports, or you can say between the baffles. Now let's learn the clause RCB 4.2. So guys, I am not showing that clause from TEMA because it may lead some confusion in between you. I have sorted that clause in such a way that there are two conditions. First condition says maximum unsupported tube length is equal to 914 mm or less, or tube OD is 31.8 mm. So if any of the condition satisfies, then your standard tube hole dia should be tube OD plus 0.8 mm. Then let's learn a condition 2. Second condition says that if maximum unsupported tube length is greater than 914 mm and tube OD is less than equal to 31.8. So guys, unlike condition 1, in condition 2, both the conditions should be satisfied, that maximum unsupported tube length should be greater than 914 and tube OD should be less than or equal to 31.8. So in this case, your standard tube hole dia will be tube OD plus 0.4 mm. So guys, hope you understood the conditions, condition 1 and condition 2. Now let's verify our Excel sheet. So let's go. So guys, here you can see one Excel sheet I have created to sort that clause RCB 4.2. So guys, first of all, let's verify our condition. So first condition says if my maximum unsupported tube length is 914 mm or less. So here in this case, my unsupported tube length is less than 914 mm. So in this case, what the result is, my tube OD is 25.4 mm plus 0.8, which is nothing but 26.2 mm. My second condition is tube OD shall be 31.8 mm. So here my tube OD is not 31.8 mm, but my unsupported tube length is less than 914. So one condition is satisfied here. So that's why my tube hole diameter is tube OD plus 0.8 mm. Now let's check the condition 2. In condition 2, maximum unsupported tube length is greater than 914 mm and tube OD is less than or equal to 31.8. So here in this case my unsupported tube length should be greater than 914 mm. So here I am increasing my unsupported tube length as 1200. So here you can see that if my unsupported tube length is greater than 914 mm, so my standard tube hole dia is 25.4 plus that 0.4, it is 25.8. Now my unsupported tube length is greater than 914 mm, but I am increasing a diameter of tube as 38.1. So guys, here you can see that 38.1 plus 0.8. So my tube hole diameter is in this case is 38.9. So what happens here is, though your unsupported tube length is greater than 914 mm, but your diameter of tube is not less than 31.8. So that condition 2 is not satisfied. In condition 2, both the conditions should be satisfied. Then and then only you can take a standard tube hole dia as tube OD plus 0.4 mm. Here the 0.8 has been added. So because your tube OD is 31.8 mm, your tube OD is greater than 31.8 mm. So what difference between those two conditions is, condition 1 is, in condition 1 one of the conditions should be satisfied, and in condition 2 both the conditions should be satisfied. So this is what the clause tema RCB 4.2. So guys, hope you got some so here guys, we have seen that our formula is satisfying the condition 1 and condition 2. Now let's check the formula. Just there are some conditions. Condition 1 is if L is less than or equal to 914 or D is greater than 31.8. In this case, your dB will be D plus 0.8. dB is nothing but a diameter of tube hole in baffle. If that condition is not satisfied, then else you have to take a diameter of tube hole is equal to D plus 0.4. Here I have written that formula. So here from here you can see that formula. So guys, the formula is if into bracket or into bracket G4 less than equal to 914 comma G3 is greater than 31.8, that G4 is your unsupported tube length, G3 is your diameter of tube, comma G3 plus 0.8, G3 is diameter of tube and G3 plus 0.8. So if this condition, so if you write the formula like this, you will be able to find a tube hole diameter in baffles and support plates in a easier way. So guys, hope you got some value from this video. So please keep supporting and keep watching our videos and keep sharing it with your friends. Thank you.